Historic oil spill silver lining. How the breakthrough technology developed to clean up the Gulf of Mexico oil spill could deliver 686% profits to investors. Please make sure your sound is turned up and on. Thank you. An amazing disruptive technology, created to deal with one of the worst environmental disasters in U.S. history, has now given birth to a wide range of consumer products that could send shares of Pura Naturals soaring by 686%. Major retailers such as Wegmans, Bed Bath & Beyond, Target, and more are reporting that Pura Naturals' remarkable technology is right now flying off the shelves. This high-tech breakthrough technology could help you turn $5,000 into $39,300 over the next 48 months. My name is James DeGeorgia, and for over 30 years, subscribers to my newsletters have experienced over 108% returns. And right now, I'm making this my #1 recommendation for subscribers to my World Opportunity Investor. Let me explain. When British Petroleum's Deepwater Horizon oil platform exploded in 2010, an estimated 4.9 million barrels of oil poured into the Gulf of Mexico. To combat the problem, a miracle product was developed that was designed to soak up the spilled oil without becoming waterlogged. This product not only repels water, but also attracts oil-based substances. Of course, this amazing material has a wide range of applications far beyond cleaning up oil spills. Pura Naturals is the company that is, right now, putting this breakthrough technology to use on a broader scale, working to create consumer products based on their revolutionary material. And these products have the potential for millions of dollars in sales and profits. Pura Naturals' first product based on the oil spill technology isn't the most exciting on earth, but it is proving to be something consumers want badly and are buying like crazy. Believe it or not, it's a revolutionary kitchen sponge that's taking the market by storm. It boggles the mind, but demand for these sponges has been extraordinary, and Pura Naturals sales have doubled over the last 12 months. Consumers simply can't get enough of these sponges, and people sometimes stand in line just to make sure they get one. What's so special about these sponges that has consumers in such a frenzy to buy them? Consumers everywhere report that Pura Naturals sponges attract grease and oil like a magnet, last far longer than ordinary sponges, are 100% odor-free, don't absorb water or retain moisture. Believe me, these are nothing like the sponges you've been buying for years. And one particular variation the company offers is even more extraordinary. A soap-infused sponge is considered the holy grail of household products. Market research suggests such a product could be worth tens of millions of dollars in annual sales. Yet despite years of research, nobody's ever been able to develop such a product, until now. In what industry insiders jealously admit is a major breakthrough, the people at Pura Naturals have done what the consumer products giants couldn't. They've created a soap-infused sponge that dispenses soap as it's used. I've prepared a free special report, How Investors Are Cleaning Up with Pura Naturals, that details how the company's kitchen sponges, both the regular and soap-infused versions, have the potential to capture a significant percentage of the $45.6 billion household care market, as well as other markets. I'll explain how to request your copy of this special report in just a moment. But first, let me share with you how Pura Naturals has quickly achieved nationwide distribution for its products. Almost overnight, the company's products have already gained prominent shelf space in some of the country's largest and most prestigious stores, including Wegmans grocery stores, Bed Bath & Beyond, Target, Meijer grocery stores, A&P grocery stores, Ace Hardware, and more. I've reviewed the company's business plan and am impressed with its strategy for turning what's clearly a superior product into an incredibly profitable moneymaker. Management is using a multi-channel distribution strategy that has the potential to see Pura Naturals' revolutionary sponges in more than 180 retail outlets, 2,500 individual stores around the country within the coming year. Plus, the same technology used for Pura Naturals' kitchen sponges is also the basis for numerous other products, including the company has 8 different varieties of facial pads and body bars that have the potential to claim a sizable share of the fast-growing personal care market. The company is currently producing a line of bathing sponges for infants and has plans to expand into related products, including wipes and changing pads. The company's Pura Pro product lineup consists of industrial sponges for restaurant kitchens, public restrooms, consumer garages, and auto care. The water-repelling, grease-attracting properties of the company's products make them ideal for cleaning pools and spas, playground equipment and outdoor furniture. Pure Naturals sales have exploded an impressive 100% in the last 12 months, due in large part to the tremendous amount of favorable publicity its products have generated. All have garnered high praise from some of the world's leading publications and entrepreneurs. For example, Pure Naturals was awarded the Women's Day 2016 Great Value Award in the magazine's September issue. Family Circle magazine honored the company with its 2016 Best Cleaning Award. Pure Naturals was selected as the #2 brand out of over 800 brand participants at the renowned Freedom Fest. The Pure Naturals products have even attracted the interest of Home Shopping Network, a notoriously difficult market to crack, but one that can propel a product to national fame virtually overnight. And speaking of the power of television, when the company begins advertising in earnest, I predict consumers will abandon their dirty, smelly, germ-infested sponges for Pure Naturals' clearly superior, but comparably priced products. That's why I'm recommending Pure Naturals to my subscribers now, while the company is still virtually unknown to most investors. In my new special report, Cleaning Up with Pure Naturals, I run the numbers and detail why I think the company's competitive advantages have the potential to boost the share price 686%. That type of gain can help you turn a modest $5,000 investment into $39,300 or more in just 48 months. That forecast assumes Pure Naturals completes its rollout as planned, but does not factor in the impact of an acquisition by one of the big household products or personal care companies. If that happens, early investors could do even better. For more than 35 years, my research team and I have helped individual investors reap outsized profits in both bull and bear markets. I achieved a 20% average annual track record for 10 years in a row as editor of Golden Energy Advisor. My model portfolio at Superstock Investor was an average winner of 72.57% a year for 7 years. I helped readers of Options Index Trader enjoy wins that added up to 276.59% in just 33 months. I delivered a 584 average annual win 8 years in a row during my stint at Golden Energy Options Trader. Right now, I'm predicting that Pure Naturals has the potential to become a major player in household goods and personal products. If I'm right yet again, a $5,000 investment could grow to over $39,300 over the next 48 months. My recommendation of Pure Naturals is based on my research of this opportunity, including a thorough examination of the business and one-on-one discussions with management. As my track record shows, I have a history of delivering triple-digit winners to investors who follow my recommendations, and I'm convinced Pure Naturals could be the next winner on my list. While Pure Naturals is a little bit more aggressive than usual, it's a good example of the kind of stock I cover in my monthly newsletter, World Opportunity Investor. These are smaller companies utilizing cutting-edge technologies to create products with the potential to change how we live. But I should point out, as much as I think Pure Naturals is a shoo-in to hand early investors an outsized return, thanks to its disruptive technology, I'm not encouraging you to mortgage the house and buy every share you can get your hands on. With that said, I'm recommending Pure Naturals to my subscribers because I believe it has a good chance of becoming my next home run stock. Over the next 48 months, it could soar up to 686%, enough for you to turn $5,000 into $39,300. Right now, you can subscribe to my newsletter, World Opportunity Investor, for 2 years, 24 monthly issues, for just $79, a 58% discount off the regular subscription price, plus a free sponge, which explains in more detail why this stock has the potential to skyrocket 686%. But I urge you to act quickly. I don't want you to miss out on the discounts and free gifts, or the opportunity to invest in this breakthrough profit opportunity. All you have to do now is click the big yellow Sign Me Up button here to get started today. Subscribe now and get started right away.